The APNX C1 White PC case is a mid-tower ATX case that comes with 4 pre-installed high airflow fans, ensuring excellent cooling right out of the box. It supports top, side, and rear liquid cooling setups, making it ideal for advanced gaming rigs and high-performance workstations. The case is designed to accommodate the latest high-end components, including large graphics processing units up to 395 millimeters and powerful central processing unit coolers. Constructed with a thick steel frame, the case offers premium quality and a sturdy, reliable build that will stand the test of time. With its curved edges, high-quality finish, and full tempered glass panel, this case adds a touch of elegance and modern style to any setup. The inclusion of a 5-port PWM ARGB control hub and generous cable management options ensures a clean and customizable build experience.